Chapter 10 The Three Dolls. Learning Objectives 1. Understanding the wit of Tenali Ram. 2. Analyzing the importance of being observant. Warm up. Colored pencil techniques cover the 5 main ways that you make marks with colored pencils: stippling, hatching, cross-hatching, back and forth stroke, and scumbling. Here is a fun game. Check the sample and draw the picture. Color the drawing using pencil colors. Use these techniques to color. Characters: King Krishnadev Rai, a merchant; Tenali Ram, minister. Krishnadev Rai's kingdom. A wealthy merchant from a neighboring city visits the king. He salutes the king. Merchant: Your Majesty, I learned that you have many wise ministers. I would like to test their intelligence. The merchant gives the king 3 identical dolls. Merchant: My lord, these dolls look alike, but they are not. I want your wise ministers to find out the difference. I will come back tomorrow. If none can find it, I will assume that you do not have any intelligent minister. The king thinks that it is a simple task. The king agrees. He calls all his ministers. King: Examine the dolls and find out the differences. Minister 1: Sorry, my lord. Minister 2: Sorry, my lord, all the 3 dolls appear identical. All the ministers tried one by one, but none could find out the difference. The king gets worried. He calls Tenali Ram. Tenali Ram enters. Tenali Ram: What's the matter, my lord? King: Ram, I did not trouble you earlier because I thought it must be very simple, but none of my ministers will be able to find out the difference between the 3 dolls. I too could not find out. The pride of our country now depends on you. I'm worried about this. Tenali Ram: Don't worry, my lord. I shall take the dolls home and come out with an answer tomorrow morning. The next day, court assembles as usual in the morning. The merchant was also present. Tenali Ram: My lord, I have found the difference. Tenali Ram takes out a thread from his bag and inserts it into the ear of one of the dolls. It comes out from the mouth of the doll. He inserts another thread into the ear of the second doll. The thread comes out of its other ear. He puts another thread into the ear of the third doll. The thread did not come out from anywhere. Everyone is surprised. Tenali Ram: My lord, the first doll represents people who cannot keep a secret. They will tell it to others. They are dangerous. The second represents people who do not understand what you say. They do not care what they hear. Such people are of no use to the king. The third doll represents people who keep the secrets of themselves. They are the best. The king should keep such people as advisors. Merchant: What intelligence! I am amazed. Tenali Ram: There's one more explanation. Merchant: Please, I would like to listen to it. Tenali Ram: The first doll represents people who hear and teach it to others. So, they are good. The second doll represents people who hear and do not understand. They are medium. The third doll represents people who gain knowledge but do not teach it to anyone. They are bad. King: I agree. Merchant embraces Tenali Ram. Merchant: My lord, you are very lucky to have such an intelligent person in your court. Can I take leave now? King: Please take these gifts for your king. Everyone in the court was very happy. They went home showering praises on Tenali Ram. Exercises: Creative expression. Tell your story. Look at the cartoon strips. Use your wit and create a story of your own and share it with your class. Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. Few words are given below. Find out their meaning and make emoticons. Share your story about different occasions when you experience these emotions. What do you want to experience more? Happiness, honor, surprised, displeased. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. Why did the wealthy merchant visit King Krishna-Dev-Raya? Answer. To test the king's minister's intelligence. 2. What did the merchant give the king? Answer. The merchant gave 3 identical dolls to the king. 3. What did the merchant want to find out about the ministers? Answer. The merchant wanted to find out if the merchants are intelligent. 4. Why did the king call Tenali Ram? Answer. Because no other minister in the court was able to find the difference between the 3 dolls. 5. Who saved the day for the king? How? Answer. Tenali Ram was able to find the difference between the 3 dolls by passing a thread through the ears of the 3 dolls. Find their meaning. 1. Difference. The dissimilarity between 2 or more things. 2. Trouble. A problem. 3. Salutes. An action to show respect to someone. 4. Dangerous. Likely to cause injury or damage. 5. Neighbor. A particular part of a town or people who live there. 6. Intelligent. Brainy. 7. Merchant. A person who buys and sells goods. 8. Thread. A long and thin piece of cotton or wool used for sewing. Fill in the blanks. 1. The first doll represents knowledge but do not teach anyone. 2. The second doll represents people who hear and teach it to others. 3. The thread from the third doll did not come from anywhere. Tick the right options. 1. The merchant who visited the king was A. Rich, B. Poor, C. Dishonest. Answer. Rich. 2. The difference in the 3 dolls was found out by A. The king, B. Tenali Ram, C. Minister. Answer. B. Tenali Ram. 3. Tenali used a to find out the difference. A. Needle, B. Pen, C. Thread. Answer. Thread. 4. Tenali Ram gave dash explanations. A. 1, B. 2, C. 3. Answer. B. 2. 5. Everyone in the court showered rich praises on A. The merchant, B. Tenali Ram, C. The king. Answer. B. Tenali Ram. Match the following. Column A. 1. Hospital. 2. Market. 3. Post office. 4. School. 5. Kitchen. 6. Library. 7. Airport. Column B. A. Place where food is cooked. B. Place where aeroplanes take off and land. C. Place where books are kept. D. Place where you can post letters. E. Place where sick people are taken care of. F. Place where things can be bought. G. Place where children study. Answer. Hospital. Place where sick people are taken care of. Market. Place where things can be bought. Post office. Place where you can post letters. School. Place where children study. Kitchen. Place where food is cooked. Library. Place where books are kept. Airport. Place where aeroplanes take off and land. Conceptual understanding. Tell your story. Pick out the words from the story which mean same and create a story by using these words. 1. Exactly same. 2. Gather, collect together. 3. To put in. 4. Surprised. 5. Held a person firmly in the arms. Communication. Writing skills. Who do you think is the most intelligent boy or girl in your class? Why do you think so? Write in the space below. Reading skills. Read the adjectives in the below box. Identify the characters based on your understanding and write the suitable adjectives of the characters in the space provided. Shy, clever, boring, sociable, generous, helpful, selfish, wise, foolish.